I'm a little concerned that they make sheet masks for your butt. Amanda, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing the first test tube beauty of 2020. I am so excited. This packaging is just so cute. It speaks to me. It looks very astrology influenced, but it reminds me of like the Harry Potter Patronuses for some reason. Maybe it's like the blue and the white. I think that this tube is absolutely adorable. I am going to keep it to collect dust for display only. My test tube playlist will be linked to watch previous unboxings. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you enjoy. Let's get into it. Test tube beauty comes in a box like this, and there are a couple of products that are outside of it. So we'll go through those products first and then we'll unbox the tube. I see a very interesting product right off the bat. What is this? Squeeze It Citrus Butt Sheet Masks. It's supposed to be brightening and rejuvenating. I'm a little concerned if we're supposed to be brightening our butt cheeks. Am I doing a butt routine wrong? We have seen some interesting products recently in subscription boxes. Products for the V and now products for the B. And I'm a little concerned that they make sheet masks for your butt. I can see myself and Catherine doing a butt sheet mask together. I don't think I could do this sober. I think my friend Kayla Remarks was telling me about these masks that are at Ulta. When she said that, I was like, what? Why are we having masks for everything these days? Next thing you know, we're gonna have a mask for your V. I'm gonna be a little concerned for that. And this retails for $9. That's actually a low value item to see in test tube beauty. Usually this tube has really high value products in here. I'm a little about it being a butt mask as well as $9. Really, test tube? It's the first one of 2020 and you're putting in a butt mask. This is like a New Year's resolution to take better care of your ass. I don't think I'm at the point in my life where I need to rejuvenate my butt. I don't even know if my butt is gonna fit on these. I think maybe this will fit one butt cheek. I got a big booty. Really concerned about brightening. Like, why would that need to be a thing? Why do I need to brighten my butt? I don't know. We're moving on. Let me know in the comments what you think of a butt mask. While you have the butt mask chilling on your butt, we also have sheet masks for the face. These are by the brand Soon Skincare Face Mask Trio. This retails between $18 to $22. Biocellulose Anti-Aging Face Mask. That sounds fancy. These are supposed to be a holy trinity of firming and hydrating sheet masks that transform skin in less than 20 minutes. Ooh, a full transformation. So you're telling me I am not gonna have wrinkles or dark circles, large pores, redness, texture, acne. I'm gonna be completely transformed? Doubt it. I am not completely sold on what it claims. I call BS. So this is the Biocellulose Firming Face Mask, a micro hole hydrogel. A micro hole, I'm just kidding. Giggity. I have a little concerns on what a micro hole is. Then we have another biocellulose. Oh, so one is a biocellulose anti-aging and one is a biocellulose firming. I mean, they sound cool. I hope that they are firming and hydrating. Mainly hydrating. I feel like firming is one of those like at that time satisfaction, but it's not a long lasting thing. I feel like anytime you use a firming or tightening mask for like the first hour, maybe that's being generous. You feel firm and then like a few minutes later, you're back to normal. At that moment feeling and then goes back. That's just me. Let me know what you think in the comments, but I definitely want to give these a try and report back, especially on this micro hole. So far, every box that I've gotten, Glow Addict, IPSY, and Test Tube, all have had sheet masks. I think I'm good for 2020. Time to take off the cap of the tube, and stuff almost came flying out. This is what it looks like, and this is like a sample. What is this? Come on, test tube. I'm not feeling test tube right now. And I never say that. I love test tube, usually. This is the Renee Ferturer. I'm telling you, that's how it's called. This is a Style Vegetal Texture Spray. Why does it have to be vegetal, honestly? Everything's going to plant veggie based, like you get a plant-based burger these days. What? Burgers come from cows. All right. Oh, that's very aggressive. I probably shouldn't have just sprayed it. Oh, it smells good. Ooh, okay. I like how it smells. A little florally. It's very like almost like a perfume. I do like texturing sprays. I love the Way one so much. Probably my favorite one. I don't really know how to use texturing sprays. I use them to function like dry shampoos. I am just very disappointed at this size. I feel like they could have put a full size in and had it chilling in the box with the masks. You're telling me like a full size can down there won't fit in a box like this? That's what they should have done instead of giving me this little $10 BS travel size. I expect a little bit more from you, Test Tube Beauty. Finally, a full size item. The Fray Protect Me Defense Facial Moisturizer. This retails for $50. Okay, so we finally found where the bulk of the value of this tube is gonna be. This little moisturizer right here. I haven't even tried this brand, and it looks like it's plant-based as well, based off this logo. I'm just kidding. Argania, however you pronounce it, Active Complex. Okay. This is a moisturizer meets sunscreen meets antioxidant. This lightweight cream defends against UV rays, which can cause skin cancer, free radical damage, which we don't want, aka wrinkles and dryness, which, you know, I want to protect against all those. Apply at least 15 minutes before sun exposure. Well, considering it's nighttime right now. Oh, there's no safety seal on it. Well, that's cool. It's just gonna come right out. This is a very bougie sunscreen for $50. Just throwing that out there. Might be too much. It doesn't feel lightweight. It actually feels very heavy. Shea thick cream, and it's sitting on my hand. It's not absorbing really nice. Feels moisturizing, but it has that greasy feel that sunscreen has. It has like that very faint scent of sunscreen too. $50 for a sunscreen. I get the generic brand and call it a day. Sunscreen is sunscreen as long as it doesn't kill the reefs. What is this? A toothbrush. Okay. Oh, it's part of a set. This is by Super Smile, the new generation 45-degree toothbrush and extra whitening system. This retails for $9 and $12. The whitening system, I am intrigued because I have discoloration on one tooth. I don't know why, just one tooth. You add a pearl-sized drop of the whitening toothpaste and of the accelerator onto a dry toothbrush and brush for 2 minutes morning and night. I guess this will be my whitening toothbrush then. Maybe that's the point of it. I don't know. I feel like this is just a fancy toothbrush to use just for whitening and not just brushing. What is this? Another very tiny product of some sort. This is the Naturally G4U Retinol Anti-Wrinkle Serum. Or you can get the Instant Eye Repair Serum, and I got the normal serum. Cool. This is vitamin C, vitamin A, Metafoam Seed Oil. Retails for 20 bucks. This is a serum that brightens, exfoliates, and firms skin for a glowy effect. I don't know. I'm just not that excited for this. I never heard of this brand. It's apparently at Ulta. So I don't know if I am going to try this or not because I just got a serum in my IPSY Ultimate, which I'm going to be using. I don't want this to go to waste. Maybe I'll set this aside for a giveaway. But I think I would have been more excited for the eye cream. In true life, I'm addicted to eye creams. What is this? This is by the brand 10 Plus Free Nail Color Nail Polish. Another nail polish. This is the second box I've gotten nail polish in. Oh, that's a pretty color though. I actually like this. I like the color better in the magazine, like the blue, classic blue, like the Pantone color of the year. I actually might keep this. I actually like this color. It's $18 for this? Oh, heck no. I'm a sucker for the packaging. I mean, this looks like a periodic table. Oh, I do like that. Okay, I'm gonna keep it just for that. I kind of want to paint my nails with this color. Maybe I'll do that this weekend. My ratchet nails could use it. One more product left. This is by the brand Cowlion. This is the Pore White Cake Pack, and it retails for $37. This is a radiance boosting facial in a jar that delivers deep hydration, purges pores, and exfoliates with the help of fruit enzymes and Amazonian clay. Well, that sounds great. Oh, there's a brightening and cooling effect. That's cool. Oh, I love the Ole Henriksen cold plunge mask. So I wonder if it has a similar feeling to it. It goes back to it being redundant of receiving sheet masks as well as this kind of mask. So I am a little bit annoyed about that. Not gonna lie, this is the first Test Tube Beauty I am not that excited about. I know, and it pains me because I always look forward for this tube. I just don't find it that exciting, to be honest. I mean, a $50 sunscreen, that's where the bulk of the value is coming from. We got sheet masks as well as a clay mask. We got some nail polish, which isn't bad. I haven't seen nail polish from the subscription yet, so I'm not too upset about it. It's just, I already got one in IPSY. Better not chip if it's $18. That's just my opinion. And then the serum, I don't know. There's just something about this that does not excite me at all. I normally look forward to trying serums. They are some of the hardest products for me to find one that works, and this just doesn't call out to me at all. I have a couple that work for me, and I just got one at IPSY. So since I already have a serum for this month, I am going to set this one aside for a giveaway. I feel like I have a huge giveaway pile growing right now. I think that's what I'm going to do for January's giveaway. It's just accumulate a lot of products from January boxes and give it back to you guys. And on the butt mask, I can't stop laughing at that. I don't know. Maybe it's just me being a little bit immature and all. I feel like just a mask for your face is good. Like that's all I'm concerned about. I am not concerned about having a mask for my butt. And then the toothbrush item, I mean, it's different. I've never received any whitening system in the subscription box. And then the texturing spray smelled so good. I think they could have done a little bit better for a full size. I thought like the last one that they did in November was so good. They ended the year so good, just for 2020 to be so bad. But I would love to know if you guys get test tube beauty. Did you guys get the eye cream? I think that was like the only variation for this month. Would love to know how the eye cream worked out for you. I wish I would have gotten that instead of the serum, but that's just my preference, of course. Definitely let me know, how did some of these products work out for you? Let me know, do you plan on continuing with test tube beauty? Honestly, this is the first one that has me questioning, should I stay with the service or not? But maybe this will be the one dud, and we'll see how March's is, because it is bi-monthly. It's $30 a month, and you do pay for shipping. I think after shipping, it costs about $38 every other month. Normally the value is supposed to be really banging. To me, it's lacking in January, especially starting off the new year. We're not starting it off right. I mean, the packaging is there. The products, not my favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.